Hi, Sophie Rogers friends, it's Miss Vanessa here. I'm going to show you how to make the 3D snowflakes that we sent home with you for winter break. In your packet, you're going to find a direction sheet. You're also going to find 6 pieces of paper with the template lines printed on them. You're also going to find 6 blank pieces of paper. You can make these with whatever kind of paper you want, with newspaper, with ads, anything that you have laying around the house. You're also either going to need a stapler or some tape, and you're going to need scissors. I'm going to turn the paper over, and I'm going to take the corner and fold it up towards the top. You can see that I made a V, and I'm going to fold the paper. Next, I'm going to turn it over and cut along this dotted line. You could also do this first, whatever is easier for you. Then I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to take my scissors and cut along these lines. I want to make sure I stop right at the edge and I don't go all the way up. Next, I'll do the other side, making sure I stop right at the edge. Next, I'm going to open my paper. You can see that all the V's are made there. I'm going to flatten it out and take the inside pieces and fold them, it's being a little bit tricky. Fold them together. You can use your stapler to staple this, or you can take tape and attach them. Once the first one is done, I'm going to turn it over and do the same thing to the back side, but this loop is going in the opposite direction. I'm going to flip it back over and do this loop this way. Flip it back over and the last loop. When I'm done, I should have one of these. There's 2 loops going this way and 2 loops going that way. I did this 6 times. Now we're ready to put them together to make one big snowflake. I'm going to take the first one that I made and the second one that I made and take the corners, put them together, the peaks of the snowflake, line up the corners, take tape or a staple and attach those so the peak is attached. Then I take another piece of tape and I'm going to take and attach here in the centers. I'm going to repeat this and do this for all 6 snowflakes. It gets a little bit complicated as you go on, but no 2 snowflakes are the same and they're all different. That's okay. The last one here, I'm going to add some extra pieces of tape to make sure that we are all connected, and then my snowflake will be done. There's a piece of tape on that side, and here there's a piece of tape on this side. I missed some centers here somehow. That one down there. All right, preschoolers, there you have it, our first snowflake. Go ahead and try some of these at home. It's a great cutting, fine motor, and it can make your home beautiful for upcoming winter holiday. We hope you're enjoying your break, and we'll see you back in the new year.